Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my Health and Wellness Classic Happy Planner for the week of March 24th through the 30th using the Spring Garden Kit by SweetTPlans. So y'all, this should be the very last video that I'm doing that has a weird echo, if it does have one, and also that makes me sound congested. Many apologies if you are hearing my congestion. I promise it's not my fault. It's just Florida's weather. It decided to be on hot, on cold, and switch back and forth, and now my sinuses are like, what are you doing? Stop it. So I really hope that this video is inspiring it to you. I'm very excited to show you this kit. It's so cute. This is Spring Garden from SweetTPlans, and I have used some of her deco kits. This is actually her journaling kit. I've used some of them in the past in this planner, so if you wanted to see how I use the Coquet Bows kit, you can check out the description box. I will have that video linked, as well as all of the different videos in this planner, and as well as SweetTPlans information and my discount code. If you use Megan24, it saves you 25% off of your order. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I figured we would go ahead and begin with the scraps first, because that's always the fun part, I think, is doing all of the scraps. Sorry, I just kicked the camera. How has your month been as far as your health goals? Did you have any for this month? And if you did, were you successful in your health goals? I personally did not have any health goals this month besides to try and eat as healthy as I can. Did that work? We are not 100% sure if that worked. I definitely tried though. I did. I tried to see that I could be healthier than I have been, so I don't know. Okay, I want to do the same thing that I had done last time and have these be my food. Okay, so one, I think we're actually gonna go 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, and this one will be number 7. There we go. Ah, that's fun. Okay, cool, cool, cool. And then these scraps, I'm just going to line on either side of the page because I think that it's fun to do it like this. Whoops. Well, that was my fingers. Then I think we're gonna do this as our grocery list. So let's put this like here. Oh goodness. Okay, hold on. Here's where my plan might fail. Okay, and then lift you up a little bit. All right. Yeah, okay. That's okay. I actually want this to be underneath. It might not work this way. Let's put this guy. Let's put it right here. Nope. There we go. And then this guy, we're gonna put, probably should have put this on this side. Oh well. I'm gonna put this one right here. Okay, and then this, I'm gonna put here, and this one over here. Let's figure out which of these dolls I should use. I do really like her. I think she is super, super pretty. So let's stick her here. And then this girl I also really like. So I think we're gonna stick her maybe right here. Yeah. I like that. Okay, that is fun, and we can save this. And see, the cool thing about this kit is I have so much left over. Like, I didn't even use all of these boxes, so I can still use those. And then I have a couple more of the girls. I have these, and then I also have this entire section of strips, which, speaking of, I need to put the days of the week on before I forget, because I will. Okay, that is fun. Okay, now we have just a little bit more deco to add, and then honestly, the spread will be done. Okay, let's figure out which ones we want to use. I keep saying okay a lot, and I'm so sorry. Let's see. I really like this stack of books, so we'll stick that. We'll stick it over here. And this is like, whoops, it's like tea or something, which is cute. And this pair of glasses I think is really fun. We can put those by the books. Okay, and then I like this bow for our meal plan or grocery list or whatever. I think I'm gonna put this flower set there and this here. And I really like this dove. I'm gonna put that there. Let's see. I want a butterfly here. And we'll have one. I know I want a butterfly right there. And then I want this one. I was thinking like up here. What do you think? I kind of like that. I like this. I think this is cute. I think that's all the deco I'm gonna do, because I also have to remember I need space to actually be functional and actually write in this planner, rather than, you know, make it all cutesy and deco, which, like, there's nothing wrong with it. I just really want this to be usable. Although I am thinking maybe I should add another girl, because this side looks a little blank. So I think I'm gonna add this blonde girl smelling the rose, because we don't have any more blonde girls in here. And I like the thought of her going like right there. And then this basket, I'm thinking I could still keep it right here. Yeah, I like this. That's cuter. Makes it super fun. Okay, the last thing I did was add a basket right here, because I felt like it just needed something right there, you know, because this has kind of like that tapered edge, but this was kind of like a straight cut, so I felt like it looked a little bit better that way. All right, that is it for this week in my health and wellness planner using the Spring Garden kit from SweetTPlans. I really like how this looks. You guys know how obsessed I am with SweetTPlans, so definitely give her a follow. Check out her shop. It will be linked in the description box, as well as my discount code and all of her information, like her social media and her website. So definitely check her out. Go give her all the love and look at all the stuff she has on her shop. They're amazing. I love her Disney kits. I'm super obsessed with them, actually. So I always try and get at least one whenever I can. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to see more of my content, check out the description box. Like I said, everything there will be linked, and all of the different videos that I craft and share with you guys will be in different playlists, so you guys can browse around there and see what you like. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys.